In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Shopify store SEO with ChatGPT. The goal here is simple. Help more people find your store through search and turn that traffic into potential customers. We're going to walk through a practical workflow you can use to improve your visibility step by step without making things overly complicated. Start by opening your Shopify store and reviewing your existing pages to see which ones need SEO improvement. Look at your product pages, collection pages, blog posts, and any key landing pages. Pay attention to thin content, missing descriptions, weak titles, or pages that don't clearly explain what they offer. This first review gives you a clear picture of what's already working and what needs attention. Next, use ChatGPT to research ideas for products, categories, and blog topics. This is especially helpful when you want to understand what customers may be searching for or what types of questions they might have before buying. You can use it to brainstorm relevant search terms, common concerns, and useful content angles that fit your store. The key is to focus on topics that match real customer intent, not just broad keywords. Once you have those ideas, create SEO-focused content that answers real customer questions. Good SEO content is not just about ranking. It should also be genuinely helpful. If someone lands on your page, they should quickly understand the product, the category, or the topic, and feel like their question is being answered clearly. That improves both user experience and search performance over time. As you write or update your content, add target keywords naturally to titles, headings, meta descriptions, and page copy. Avoid forcing them in too often. Search engines are smart, and your writing should still sound natural to human readers. A good rule is to place keywords where they fit logically and support the meaning of the page. Then improve your product pages with more detailed descriptions, helpful FAQs, and internal links to related pages. Detailed descriptions give search engines more context, while FAQs can address objections or concerns customers may have before purchasing. Internal links also help users explore your store and help search engines understand how your pages connect. After that, publish helpful blog posts related to your products. Blog content can bring in visitors at earlier stages of the buying journey, especially when they are researching a problem, comparing options, or looking for advice. Finally, track your rankings and traffic using Google Search Console and keep updating weaker pages regularly until they perform better. SEO is not a one-time task. It works best when you review, improve, and refine your content consistently over time.